This is Campmade's coconut charcoal for Dutch oven and barbecue grill cooking. It burns twice as hot and twice as long as the leading brands, saving you time and money. We're going to prove it today through a simple test that you can replicate at home to see for yourself. We're going to be using Campmade's charcoal lighter cubes for both of these, and we're just going to test 12 of each. So we've got the leading brand, there's 3. There's a whole one, there's 6. And we've got Campmade's coconut charcoal, 2, 4, started. And we're getting 188 degrees from our popular brand. So 188.9, let's call 189 compared to 786. Ranging from 400 to over 700 degrees. Literally 2.5 hours after lighting the Campmade coconut charcoal.